This is my Blizzard. I got her a month ago for $40. Of course, she's not tame. She's trying to run all over the place, but look like she's sitting here now. I guess she is a Blizzard. I mean, it's weird. She changes color. You see, she looks kind of like a patternless right now. And she's even getting lighter. She wasn't even light, darker than this a while ago. I don't know. It's weird. I plan to breed her with my cousin's paddleness and hopefully get some interesting baby geckos out of him. And then I'll probably show y'all his geckos today after I upload this one. Oh, and possibly we'll be getting a African fat tail gecko. Hopefully today or tomorrow. Well, actually, if I order them, if I order them today, it'll be tomorrow. But if it's tomorrow, order them, it'll be Wednesday.